This is Video Player One. You may recognize it. I've added a right mouse click to it to pull up this menu, plus a module that will let you make a video based on reading a directory of photos. You may get this message at the start. It means you either haven't installed OpenCV or you haven't uncommented the import statement in ClipsMaker. Either way, you need OpenCV 412 in order to get ClipsMaker to work correctly. And the video format that you currently have on the screen will determine the format of the video. So I'm going to make an adjustment here and go back into Clips and set filter on, and then go back and resize or reformat the screen to a square. It looks like this could be slowed down a bit, and 5 frames per second is the minimum. And if you manage to go below that, you won't get much to show for it. And I'm setting it to a 9 to help slow things down, as you'll see. Max refers to the maximum number of frames that will be read. And WPR is writes per read. You can do more than one write per read. In this case, I've set it to 3. I'm going to run this again, but this time with a directory of photos that are more closely related to each other. Loop on will, of course, loop it. It doesn't work in Qt5. And to turn it off, you would simply click on loop again. Here's the reason that you need 412. This is lets you read the first frame of a video, much the same as reading a photograph. Works the same way. I'm going to turn file name on. You can see these are all .mov video clips. Normally I'd expect to see a spinning beach ball, but for some reason not. My experience was without using 412, many of these frames would appear upside down. And last, reading every nth frame, which means 5th, 10th, 15th, or 30th. You can read frames other than those, but 5, 10, 15, and 30 seem to work best. So I'm going to set this to read every 15th frame of a video. This is the final output of those video clips that I had recently visited. This is not the same as using the Files button. This comes out of Clips, because you need to read the file, only one file. And again, there's no beach ball. So here we are, one frame every 15 frames. That's what the output is at 9 frames per second and 3 writes per frame. Slows it down enough so that you can actually kind of make sense of it. A word of note, all the OpenCV code was a direct result of typing into a Google search on my browser, but of course it's Gemini behind the scenes. I've added a few new formats to Video Player, and of course the right mouse click pop-up menu. Of note, these references in the menu to aspect, auto aspect, or setting aspect are all covered in the previous video, and there might be some small changes, but basically it's the same. Just move things around a little bit to make them more accessible. And one last thing, a reminder and a brief update as to what's happening in Dots. I just wanted to make sure that anybody going to it would know there's a help menu there, and it's pretty easy to activate. I also added 5 new screens 2 4x3s, a 3x4, a square, and another 9/16. And that's it.